Our first guest of honor is a Professor Gabriela Teodorescu, and she is a Vice Rector of Valahia University of Targoviste, Romania. She is a full professor and the head of Research Center for Natural Resources in the Department of Environmental Engineering in Valahia University of Targoviste. I would like to invite Professor Gabriela for her welcome speech to the technical session group number 1, devoted to the topic on mountain ecosystems, freshwater ecosystems, forest ecology, environmental issues. Please.
Thank you. First of all, let me to express my happiness and gratitude to be the first guest honor who opened this prestigious event, not only for us, not only for Europe, but for the whole world. So I'm really, really happy to be here with you and to open this great event. So, dear organizers, distinguished partners, dear faculties and delegates members, dear students, because after all, we represent our students. Let me say that it is a great honor for me to participate today in the opening of this event has an impact on the whole world. And for that, I would like to thank to Grassroots Institute and in special to Dr. Hasrat, who made possible our participation and our partnerships. And thank you very much for your help and for your support. I'm honored to open the inauguration for the first session group. I'm really happy to do that today. And not least, I'm honored to represent Valahia University of Targoviste in Romania located, our academic communities, our students at this prestigious event. Valahia University of Targoviste, it's a public university located in the first capital of Romania, surrounded by beautiful and wonderful mountains. And I'm really happy to have the opportunity to speak a lot about my university during the classes. The topic of this summer school, mountain ecosystems and resource management, must be interesting and concerned at the global level. And we are responsible for that. Also, the next generation, now our students, are responsible to continue and support the maintenance of clean environment and good quality of life. The topic for the first session is mountain ecosystems, freshwater ecosystems, forest ecology, environmental issues. For all these topics, an impressive list of specialists who will share their knowledge experience will make us happy. The session group 1 have 3 technical sessions, and during all technical sessions, we have the happiness to meet all these specialists. Reputable experts or faculty members from Albania, India, Canada, China will share their experience for the first presentations. And also delegates from Bangladesh, India, Kazakhstan, Myanmar, and Romania. For technical session 2 in group session 1, experts or faculty members from Kyrgyzstan, Ukraine, Sri Lanka, and delegates from India, Kazakhstan, Romania, and Kyrgyzstan made us happy to hear their presentations. In session 3, experts from faculty member, India, Bosnia, Herzegovina, and Italy, and delegates from India, Nepal, Ukraine, will share their experience and presentations with us. I hope that all these 10 days with the day of today of this summer school will be the beginning for a sustainable collaboration to open the doors of knowledge and respect for mountain ecosystems. We have to be proud because we are part in this event beside our professors, beside our students, in special because our students from all of the world will attend of this event, because we need to share all the problems, all the importance of mountain ecosystems and management of resources. I hope that all together to build something like a bridge, not only between specialists, to build a bridge between academia, for research domain, and also for governance, for politics, and everybody who is involved in this topic. I think that only all together we can do, or we can try to do possible to live in a clean environment and to improve our quality of life. Also, I really hope that if the first in the first year this summer school is organized in online system, I really hope that in the next future the second edition of summer school to give us the possibility to meet each other, to see each other, and to share offline, not online, our experience. At the end of my speeches, I would like to thank you again and to wish for everybody health, very strong in work, and be sure that these days will make us more happy and more strong than before. Thank you very much. Greetings from Targoviste, Romania, and greetings for everybody. Thank you very much.
Thank you.